Now I want to introduce to you a site called Tapinfluence.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
This is a marketplace where brands hire influencers, and the influencers showcase, like, here's my Twitter, here's my Pinterest, here's my Instagram, here's my YouTube. And then based on that, there are certain rates that are set. And as a brand, you can hire influencers, and there's a bunch of influencers here, and you know that they want you to hire them because they're here. And this is something you can use for your personal brand in case you have social media accounts from which you can promote. You can make money from this, and you can hire influencers to help you promote whatever you are promoting. So this is actually something you can use on both ends. You see when I mouse over login, you can log in as a brand or as an influencer. I already have an influencer account, so I'm actually going to log into that and show you how it works. This is part of my profile. I connected my Twitter and my YouTube, and I gave my content topic, business and finance, small business, entrepreneurship, and they came up with rates. So for example, for me to make a video to promote some kind of a brand, I would get paid $277. To create a blog post, it would be $50. And to create a social share post on Facebook and Twitter, I would get like $100. And so the whole package would be all of that summed up. Like, let's say somebody got the whole package, it will be over $400. And once you create your profile and fully filled it out, you are going to be listed in the marketplace. So when brands come here, they can hire you. And on the flip side of that, you can be a brand that hires influencers from here. You can use the site in both ways. So that's Tapinfluence. It's one of the most popular such sites that's a marketplace for finding and hiring influencers or getting hired as one.